Hey guys, it's Lindsay and welcome back to my channel and to my unboxing of the 12 Days of Christmas box from Simply Gilded. So this is my pre-sale box. This is a thing that you do have to purchase through the pre-sale, or you had to purchase through the pre-sale. So this is my pre-sale box. That's why it has all the washi still in it. But this is what the 12 Days of Christmas is. It is packaged in here, and each day has a number on it when you are supposed to open it, and it has obviously a little surprise in it. So I'm going to go ahead and take all of these out really quickly. And I'm going to open all of these on camera. So this is a big spoiler. If you guys want to see me haul this, there should be a haul that's going to be separate from this video that will have me haul all of the like washies. But this purely is just for the 12 Days of Christmas from the Simply Gilded like box. So I'm unboxing this separately from my haul because I didn't want to spoil it for anyone in that haul. So if you don't want to see this, click out of this video right now because I'm going to start opening them and showing you guys everything and stuff like that. So we're gonna zoom you guys in, and we are just going to get started. So we're gonna start with day number 1. It has a really pretty floral packaging on it. I actually really like this, and all of them are sealed with this really pretty gold bunny, which is I think juniper. So I feel bad like tearing these open, but we gotta do it. We gotta do it. I'm sorry, little bunny. I'm so sorry. So we're gonna open this one first, obviously. So day 1, oh yes, day 1 is some washi. Sorry, I just got really excited. Day 1 is washi. I also have not looked at any of these, so this is all gonna be first impressions for me. So this washi actually matches this bag, which is gorgeous. So it's that floral pattern, and it does have some gold bows on it, and you get 15mm and 10mm. Oh my god, I'm obsessed already. This is, oh, I'm so excited. So there's that first one. Also, there's a little mini spider that's like kind of chilling over here, and I don't want to kill him. So I keep like slowly pushing him back away from here, and he keeps coming back. So little mini spider, go away. Go, no, go that way. Go that way. Get off my board. I don't know where he went. I hope I didn't just kill him. Anyway, moving on to day number 2. He was in my last video too in the haul that I filmed. He's just kind of chilling and hanging out. So, I don't know why. But anyway, we're going to open number 2 very carefully. So number 2 has this really pretty polka dots bag, and then it has obviously the number 2 on it. And inside you get another washi. So this is a really pretty teal washi with some silver polka dots on it. And this is a 5mm washi. So if you're comparing the difference between, oh wait, no, this is a 10mm. Sorry. Comparing the difference, it is a 10mm. So that is day number 2. Moving on to day number 3, you have this really pretty striped one. So we're going to open this one. I'm just going to pull the ears. I really love these colors too. These are like, this colorway is very much me, and I love it. So number 3 has a little notepad in here that says the nice list, and that has 1 through 10, and it is a gold foil on it, and then it's just a pink little list. So there's that. Number 4 is white with gold on it. So we're going to open this one. Maybe. This is gonna be the hardest part of this, just opening these without like completely ripping it. So in this one, we have a pin, which is really cute. So it's a pink and I think it's supposed to be like rose gold washi pin right there. Really cute. That's number 4. Number 5. Okay, we're ripping this one. Sorry. Okay, so number 5 is just a plain pink bag, and then inside number 5 you get more washi. Yes. Sorry, I'm like real excited with the washi. This floral one is still my favorite. Ooh, okay, so this is a very bright purple. It's very similar to the, like, it's like a mix of the purples from the pre-sale. So this is the dust purple from the pre-sale, and this is the orchid. So it's like a mix of the two, but it's really pretty, and again has that gold foil bows on it, and you have the 15mm and the 10mm. So that's day number 5. Day number 6 is a pink striped bag, and opening up this one. Ooh, oh, we ripped that one. It's okay. So this one has, ooh, oh yes. This one has little planner clips in it. So you have a bow keychain and then a little clip with the paper clip on it. Here, I'll go ahead and open these just so you guys can see them. And it is a velvet bow as well, which is really nice. So This is what the bow keychain looks like, and it has a little clasp right there, and then you do have the paper clip here. So that is day number 6. I think my brother's home, which is not good because then I have to stop filming this video, and we're almost there. Okay, day number 7 has another washi in it. This is a non-bow washi, so it has little swans on it and like snowflakes and stuff like that, and it is pink, and then this is what the bag looked like. Number 8, this is what the bag is. It's pink and it has a little detail down at the bottom. Number 8 has another washi in it too. This is white and it has a little vine washi with hearts and it's silver vine on there. Really, really cute. Number 9. Ooh, we will like majorly rip that bag. All right. So number 9 has stars and it's a blue. And this one has another washi. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Ugh. This is a galaxy washi, or like constellation, and it has a blue that fades with green. Oh my gosh. And it has the constellations on it. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I love it. So there's that. Number 10 is this really pretty teal bag, and this one has the 5mm washi. Oh my god, yes, that matches the colors of the kit. So you have a mint, you have a pink, and you have a white that has gold bows on it. Oh, I love this. I'm obsessed. Number 11 is another pink bag with a heart on it. This one has another obviously washi in it. Ooh, yes. I get excited really easily. So this has a hot pink polka dot on it with some silver bows. I am so excited for all of this washi. And last but certainly not least, you have number 12, which has a keychain in it, which is really cute. So it has Juniper, which is the little bunny, a rose, and a bow. Super, super cute with the gold hardware. So if I went through that really quickly, I'm sorry. Also, my computer's yelling now. But I didn't mean to go through that quickly. But I will pick up all the washi just so you guys can kind of see it all. There is a lot of washi, which I am so excited about. So this is all the washi that you get, and then the rest is just kind of extra, but I'm really, 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 really excited about all of this, and oh my gosh, I am so happy that I picked this up during the pre-sale because I was a little iffy on whether I wanted to pick it up, and it's so definitely worth it for what you get. I think it was like $50 for the whole like pre-sale, and it's definitely worth it because I know for sure like these washis are probably gonna sell for like 20 times more of that, which is kind of insane, but I love everything, and it was packaged so nicely. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it probably was pretty quick, but I wanted to still open everything on camera just so you guys can kind of see what it was, and that way I also wasn't spoiling anything in my haul. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, as always, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you got this, what your favorite thing is in it. Honestly, my favorite thing is probably this washi. The floral washi is just gorgeous. I'm obsessed. That one and this galaxy washi, just all of it, just in general, it's gorgeous. So that is going to be everything. I don't remember what exactly I said. Subscribe, like, comment, yeah. I will see you guys in another video very, very soon. Bye, guys!